Yo, what's up, y'all? Okay, let me turn these handlebars. Okay, I basically just got started on this. Up front, I took this bolt out and the bolt here. Hit the pinch bolt out here too. And what I'm currently trying to do is get the bolt up top here. This one here. I'm trying to get the top triple tree off so that I want to see what the bearings is in there. That is my main objective right now. Just trying to see what the bearings are. Okay. I need to put them bolts back in there so that I don't lose them. Because I know me, so I know I will lose them. Just gonna put them just enough so that they don't fall out. It also helps you so that if you forget, looking under here. But this gasket, the gasket that's in here, the shock absorber gasket, I made that one. The other ones on the other bike, I bought them, but these here I made. With silicone, I made it with silicone. Okay. Not too bad so far. I don't know if, like, say these stops that are on here, I don't know if they're going to affect me, the stops. I got to stop here and a stop here. I don't know if they're going to affect me. I'm going to have to modify them a bit. Hopefully I won't. Okay, let's see about the top. It would be really sweet if this had like a tapered bearing. That would be really sweet, you know. I thought it might be BBs. Trying to hold it. I got it up on the center stand. Once the weight fall off, should go to the back tire. The BBs up top too. Okay. I gotta get these BBs. They should have had more packing on them. This is what I'm talking about. Make sure y'all can see that. This is what I'm talking about when I say the BBs. And you can see in the top of this one, they got the BBs in that one. I'm thinking, well, this really should be packed with grease, so these don't do a ton of moving. No, we're not taping like I want. I may have to see about tapping these rings out They have these rings right here. I'm gonna see about tapping one of these out. Maybe. Yeah. I think I'm gonna try the top one. I'll be able to see it, and plus y'all be able to see it also. So let me fuss and fight with that. Then I'm gonna bring y'all back.